Welcome to MQLrobot EAS. In this video, we'll walk you through the logic and structure of the Scalping Pump Lot EA, built with FXdreema, no coding required. This EA is designed to execute rapid scalp trades based on price proximity to selected exponential moving averages, EMAs, with variable lot sizing depending on EMA positioning. Let's take a closer look at how it works. Strategy logic. The EA checks price distance from two EMAs. Both buy and sell signals are generated depending on whether price meets certain proximity conditions to the EMAs. If the price crosses below or above the moving averages with specified distance and no other trades are active, the system triggers either a buy or sell trade. But here's the twist. This EA dynamically adjusts lot sizes based on how far price is from the EMAs. This is done using a set of fixed and flexible lot size constants. It evaluates both scenarios and selects the optimal lot based on market position. Trade management. The EA also monitors unrealized profit from open positions. If total floating profit reaches a defined threshold, such as $80, it will automatically close all trades and reset variables. This profit control system is implemented with two blocks: check profit, unrealized, close trades, and modify variables. You'll also find a bucket system for tracking open and closed trades, helpful for managing multiple trades under grid-like conditions. Custom parameters. In the constants panel, you'll find parameters like EMA period, distance from EMA in pips, variable lots per condition, profit lock level, system, fixed port settings. These are fully customizable for your trading style. Important notes. This EA is suitable for fast-moving markets and high-frequency strategies. However, scalping with variable lots comes with significant risk, especially when using small timeframes or low spreads. Before running this EA live, understand the trading logic and behavior. Run backtests with 99.9% tick data. Make sure it aligns with your risk management strategy. Thank you for watching. You can download this EA logic from the link below, MQLrobot.com. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and check out our full playlist. Build a Forex robot with FXdreema, no code. See you in the next build here at MQLrobotEAs.